Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how you can change your Instagram feed to chronological order. To do this, first open your Instagram app on your mobile. This Instagram feature was long overdue, as we all know our Instagram home feed was getting too messy with all those ads and recommended accounts that no one asked for. From the top, tap on Instagram that has drop-down arrow. Now select Following. Now you can only see posts from the accounts you have followed in a chronological order, from the latest to old. If you don't see this option, try updating your Instagram app from Play Store and relaunch the app and try again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.